Crypto market situation update, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. Wednesday morning today. We're looking at the Bitcoin for a good reason. It was shooting for the stars in a matter of a week, and we were fortunate to make a killing here by working with two targets. First one, which was actually the primary one, 39,239. Was taken about 4 days ago. I actually came here to talk about it, and you probably remember price was starting to pull back down, but we weren't very impressed with that. And I specifically said, we're gonna hold tight, and I believe price will push forward a little bit more and take the previous high. So we've placed this, purple dotted line at 42,000 just to represent our final destination. So we don't need that anymore. We're out, right? We're out. And we wanted to give the Bitcoin a day or two to see what's going to happen. I mean, price was either going to break out, as you can see, it seems to be doing just that right now. But I'm going to say a few things about that. 44,580, that's the top resistance here. Now, do I believe this is a legit breakout? No, I don't. I think this is a false breakout. And the fact that price is coming back down today is kind of an indication that, it just might come back all the way. I mean, there's a very short distance to get back into the system, right? 44,580. I think this is just excess noise generated from that explosive move, right? Price was overshooting, and that's the result. It's a bit of a it also might be a bit of a bullish trap, you know what I mean? But let's take a look at this from a different angle, right? For example, the weekly chart. So here you can see, you can see that spike starting to form, right? Starting to show itself. And I believe this is part of a scheme where price action is probably planning to land back inside just before the end of the week to close the weekly bar below 44,580 and leave just a bit of a, probably a bit of a big spike actually, right? It's going to leave a big spike here. And then, of course, if that's going to be the case, right? If what I'm just describing is going to present itself, then of course it's going to be a big bearish trading opportunity, right? It's going to be a big opportunity to turn around, just to take an opposite position, right? A short position with the intention to come back all the way to 33,264. It's going to be a target. So I'm just saying, even though the whole market right now is rallying, it doesn't mean that things cannot change in a matter of a few days, right? So if price is going to land back inside by the end of the week, we'll probably come back on Monday and we'll probably tell you that we flipped over. We established a short position with the intention to chase about 10,000 points, right? Let's assume price will come back in, and we're gonna catch it around 43,000, and then we'll drive this move all the way to 33,000. So we're talking about 10,000 points. Now, the only reservation I should have at this point is, of course, if price doesn't come back in, right? If it doesn't land inside and actually close the weekly bar outside 44,580 here, that will strongly suggest that price is actually breaking out for real. And then, of course, we'll have to reanalyze the situation and come up with some valid, price targets for the foreseeable future. All right, guys, so that's pretty much the story we have for you right now on the Bitcoin. It's been a lovely bullish campaign. but it's over now. We're literally on the sideline right now, just waiting for some clarifications before we strike again. All right, that's about that. Bitcoin, it's been a pleasure. We'll be back with the next one, guys. See you then. Cheers.